Welcome, everyone. Okay, I gotta set the scene a little here because I think context actually matters. What you're wading through out there in this space right now is, it's genuinely rough terrain. Like whether you're running a Google search, getting recommended stuff on YouTube, digging through Reddit, the volume of content that's been, purpose-built to look like useful information while basically just being a slow-moving trap is, it's pretty staggering when you actually stop to measure it. So, just approach everything with a, healthy level of suspicion. Okay, so anyway, I've been running this cloud mining app through some proper testing over the past couple months, and today I'm just gonna throw my screen up and walk you through the whole thing in real time, what cloud mining actually is, what the process looks like from the inside, just, completely unscripted.
All right, so, okay, screen is sharing here. Let's just build this from zero. So starting from the very top, I'm clicking Start Mining Now right here. Good. Okay, so now it's pulling up the coin selection. I'm going with Bitcoin for today. And just so you know, this platform is actually running support for pretty much everything that matters. Okay, hitting continue right here. Nice. So now I need to get my address in here. Let me just swing over to Trust Wallet. Okay, copying that address and flipping back over, dropping it into this field right here. Good, perfect. Okay, so now we've got these two controls up here, hash rate power and mining speed mode. So these are basically your, power settings for the session. One controls how much raw computing capacity gets pointed at your mining run. The other sets the rate at which everything processes. And the flip side being crank these up and yeah, your output moves faster, but the fees tag along in the same direction. So just, land on whatever configuration actually fits what you're going for. All right, I'm keying in my mining target just over here. This basically maps out your, full picture, the crypto amount you're working toward and projected timeline for hitting that target. Okay, everything's lined up correctly, hitting start mining. And nice, okay, we're live. All the real-time data is pulling through right here on the dashboard. So let's just, sit back for a few minutes and let this run. And there it is. Nice. I've successfully mined this amount of Bitcoin. Now I can withdraw it to my wallet. But important thing here, the platform requires the infrastructure fee covered before processing any withdrawal. Everything's itemized right here, so factor that in. Complete transparency. Okay, so now I'm gonna pick which coin I want to use for payment. I'll use this one. So I'm choosing this address. Good. Then clicking I've sent and just waiting for the system to verify everything. Good. Token sent to my wallet. So now I'm just waiting to reach my balance.
Okay, so, all right, so while this is doing its thing, I want to just, give you my actual honest read on this app because, look, I've been doing this long enough to have developed some pretty strong opinions about what separates legitimate platforms from everything else. And I think it's worth just laying that out plainly after 2 months of genuinely using this thing. So the thing that caught my attention right out of the gate, the platform communicates like it has nothing to hide, like cost structure fully visible from the start, every component of what you're paying for actually explained in language that, a normal human being can parse, no strategically vague sections, no fine print doing heavy lifting in the background, no information that only becomes available once you've already committed something, just, tells you what it is, which sounds simple, but honestly, it isn't as common as it should be out here.
So, if you're ready to go walk through it yourself, link is pinned in the comments and sitting in the description. And once you've had a chance to poke around, come back and tell me what you found. Good, bad, whatever. Throw it in the comments. I read through everything. All right, I think that's going to do it for me today. Peace.